Great move-in ready home. Updated and remodeled throughout in 2020. All in 2020, kitchen appliances, furnace, AC, water heater. This home has newer, 2020 kitchen cabinets and granite counters. Opened up floor plan so it feels and is roomy. Wood and tile floors, newer windows. This home is readyBeautiful remodeled ranch style home on a huge lot. This home is clean and has everything ready to go, very low maintenance. Interior features, all brand new in 2020, front-loading washer and dryer, Viscount white granite counters, white soft close solid maple cabinets, tile backsplash, InsinkErator Garbage Disposal, LG and Frigidaire stainless steel kitchen appliances. Remodeled bathroom with Italian marble, granite touches and new fixtures, new sink and toilet. 2020 HEIL 40-gallon water heater, 2020 HEIL Furnace, 2020 HEIL AC, 2020 all newer windows including big front picture window, solid 2-panel doors and trim throughout. Recessed can lighting throughout. Exterior features, huge private backyard, new hail-resistant back patio cover and spacious patio perfect for summer gatherings. Plus, separate solid outbuilding with concrete slab/siding and electricity, perfect for a workshop/art studio/storage. Long driveway with gate perfect for RV/boat and to park numerous cars.